Developing a concept. Unraveling creative thinking. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of learning and creativity. Developing a concept. This phrase is key in many fields, from business to art, and understanding it can really boost your English language skills as well as your creative thinking. Let's explore what it means to develop a concept and how you can apply this in various contexts. To develop a concept means to take an idea from its initial, raw form and refine it into something more detailed and actionable. It involves research, brainstorming, and iteration. Imagine you have a seed. Developing a concept is like watering and nurturing this seed until it grows into a fully formed plant. It's a process of expansion and clarification where you explore different facets of an idea and figure out how to make it work in reality. 1. Idea generation. This is the starting point where creativity comes into play. It's all about coming up with a broad range of ideas, no matter how outlandish they might seem. 2. Research. After you have your ideas, it's important to research to see what's already out there, and how your concept might fit into or challenge the existing landscape. 3. Refinement. This stage is about narrowing down your ideas based on your research and feedback. It involves critical thinking and problem solving. 4. Prototyping. If applicable, creating a simple model or draft of your concept can help you understand its practical implications and potential challenges. 5. Feedback and iteration. Sharing your concept with others to get feedback, then refining it further. This might involve going through several cycles to hone the idea. Developing a concept is crucial because it transforms abstract ideas into tangible outcomes. It's the bridge between imagination and reality. This process encourages innovation and problem-solving skills, which are valuable in any field. Whether you're writing a book, planning a marketing campaign, or designing a new product, concept development is a step that cannot be overlooked. And there you have it. Developing a concept is a dynamic and essential process that takes your initial idea and molds it into something impactful. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to develop a concept and why it's such a vital skill in both personal and professional growth. Keep nurturing your ideas, and don't be afraid to dive deep into the development process. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Happy learning and creating!